Take a ride in the 2017 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2 AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.